add a new backdrop. It's gonna be the blue sky too. Okay, the costumes, go to the backdrops and write in the blue sky too. Game. I didn't finish the A. Game over. Yes, that's about to be done. Yes, that looks like a game over. Okay, after that, let's save our project and then let's focus on the ball. Let's say switch backdrop to the galaxy when it starts. And also, let's go to motion and point towards the paddle too. Let's just go inside because I can't see. Oh, okay, yes. Just put this code. Then after that, no, stop please. Oh my god, I game over. Let's go to the line and add these things. Switch backdrop to blue sky too when it touches this line, and the other line, it just has to be the same thing. Switch backdrop to blue sky too, and now you're done. But we haven't shared it. Guys, let's just add the instructions and notes and credits. I think so we have already shared a project before, but if you wanted to add this, you can add it. But let's make the ball go a little faster because